Just started snowing and the snowflakes are massive. We're supposed to get like 10 to 12 inches.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Begin with a major winter storm that's battering parts of the Midwest.
St. Louis metro area was hit hard by the storm Friday night and into this morning. Highway travel was treacherous and several major highways were shut down for hours.
We've had reports of up to 9.5 inches, but it's still snowing.